Hi everyone, and welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to be pruning a pomegranate tree. Now it's something a little bit different for the Tasmanian area, but it's similar to other fruit trees. It's a pretty basic, sort of straightforward task. They are a tree which is rapidly growing. I think it grows to around 24 inches a year, so that's about half a metre per year, so it does grow quite quick. So pruning it is not really anything to be worried about. It's certainly going to grow back. As you can see here, I'm just clearing around the base, just weeds and everything around the bottom of it. I've opened the fence up so that I can get into the tree and prune around it. Yeah, this tree is sort of up against the fence. Yeah, I'm just showing the fruit there. This is an older one. You would have probably seen them before. They're full of small pink, kind of like berries. Quite a sweet flavour. Yeah, the tree is very spiky. I just put that there. It's like a plum tree spike, so very long, sort of hidden spikes. They almost just look like normal branches, but you've got to be very careful in handling this one because it'll probably go straight through your hand if you weren't careful. There's a big dog over the fence, and you can't hear it on the video, but he's constantly barking and jumping up, trying to look over the fence while I'm doing this job. And yeah, just putting a few facts on there on the screen while I'm doing it. So yeah, pruning off all the ones around the sort of trunk area, because they're all water sprouts, and just, or suckers they're called. They're not really required, so yeah, just prune them off first, and that way it's easy to get in. And you want to try and prune this like every other fruit tree. You have a V shape, or more like a cone, with lots of space in the centre. And I'm using long-handled loppers to do the job so I can reach in easily. But yeah, just thinking about a few different things. One is just making sure it looks good, and the other is to just get rid of any branches that might grow in towards the fence, or yeah, there's a fact there that scientists found that it's in compounds in the fruit that could be, is actually capable of curing some cancer. It's an antioxidant, good for the heart. Yeah, getting there now, just to the tree this size is probably about half as high as it could grow to. So I'd say it would grow to around 2 metres. I'm only guessing that, but 3 metres I'm going to say. Either way, just keeping them this height is better because you can actually reach the fruit and you don't need a ladder. Just taking the centre ones out of there. The reason I'm taking them, just giving them a bit of a clip on the top because I don't want it going up above the fence. That's looking quite good. Yeah, it grows about 24 inches per year, like I said, about half a metre. Now just rake up all the prunings around there, and looks good. Here I'm just using the blower just to clean up all the extra mess. Just sort of blow everything around. Just get it all looking neat. Don't leave it looking like you've half done the job. And yeah, that looks totally different. Putting the fence back without all the grass that was stuck in it. Yeah, that looks like the job's pretty much complete. And that's how you prune a pomegranate tree. So I'll get to it.